welcome you to today's tutorial. Your presenter Nchimunya Sibara. Today we are going to look at on how to add transitions to already made track or to the already plotted track in Adobe Premier Pro. Adobe Premier Pro is the best software I use for video production, and it has helped me a lot. Here is the song, here is the video that was created in Adobe Premier Pro, and we are going to add transitions to this track or to this video. Before we do that, you make sure that the songs, those video tracks are in the same line. Like this one should come here, and this one should come here, this one in the same line, so that we add transition properly. For these we add these other clips in one line. We add, okay, we are going to add transitions to this track. So what we are going to do is we're going to look at which transition can fit on each and every gap. So let's start. So as you can see, there is no transition, there's nothing like we have added something. No, it's just a plain. There is no transition, there is no anything. So I'm going to open my effect loom is here. So here it's transitions. So I'm going to click on here and choose the transition of my choice. As for me, I will use the dissolve one. So I'm going to click on dissolve and drag here. Let's see what is going to happen. So the other clip is shaking, so you cannot add the transition here. And let's choose another area. Okay, like here. As you can see, it is cross dissolving. This clip is cross dissolving. As you can see, it is cross dissolving. So we have added the dissolve here. And take note, don't add transitions anyhow. Don't add transitions anyhow. You have to know the song. You have to add transitions where necessary, not anyhow. Like here. Yeah, that's wonderful. Here we can even add the black. Let's try the black, the deep to black. Let's try it. So no, it's not okay. You can use this deep to black if when on when you throw the motion, like let's try to throw one of the motion here, unless you throw this other motion, we throw this motion, we throw it to 60, and we throw the other one to 60 again. That's when you can add the deep black. So unless on if you are adding not the main clip, but those addition clips, you can throw them down and add deep to black. That's when you can add the deep to black. And I've seen a lot of people using these other transition like this one at page view, page turn, page view. Okay, let's try the page turn. How does it look like? Okay. Wow. What are you? What? Oh wow. Wow, what is this? But nowadays we don't use these transitions. As for me, these days I don't even use transition. If you can see the whole song, there's no transition here, unless if I add those addition clips, maybe for action, for action and others. That's when we can add transitions. And okay, let's try other transitions. There are a lot of transitions. There is wipe, draw, bundle, checker wipe, and checkboard clock wipe. Let's try the clock wipe. Oh wow, you can use the transition of your choice. There is a lot of transitions in Adobe Premier Pro. As you can see, look at this transition. Wow, you can even change settings here. You can change the settings here. You can reverse the transition. You can do whatever you want with the transitions. If you wanted to go upside down, you can do anything. You can do anything with Adobe Premier Pro. I'm sure I've learned one or two things. Wow, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share this broadcast so that you can continue learning more. Thank you. Bye.